if I hit a bullseye with any of these 3 darts, we're putting new wheels on the WRX. Check this out. Look at that. Maybe we should do like a dude perfect trick shot video or something like that. Let's go put new wheels on the WRX. So we took the old wheels off of our WRX, which were the Apex Racing EC7s, took them to a local tire shop, swapped the tires off to a brand new set of raised Graham-Lights 57 XTCs. Now we actually have 2 different colors on the driver's side here. We're going with a bronze, has sort of a matte finish there. And then if we go over to the passenger side, we have the Super Dark Gunmetal, which has a high gloss finish to it. Has a nice metallic flake in there as well. These are in the 18 by 9.5 plus 38 fitment, so perfect fitment for the VA chassis. Both of these colors are going to be a great contrast to the World Rally Blue of our WRX, and they're going to look pretty awesome. Let me throw them on there for you guys.
Bad boys. You make me feel so good.
I was just gonna point out to them the center cap.
Well, let's see.
Well, look what we got here.
I don't know if these work or not, but let's try them. The color is pretty close.
Ooh, they're even blue.
Yeah, right? That looks pretty good.
Look at that.
Should we try it on? Let me.
Just hit it, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Bam. Look at that. Except it's not straight.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, so we have blue ones over there for the Super Dark Gunmetal, and then we have bronze and red. Wow, this match is pretty spot on over here. Bam! Perfect. Just gotta make sure it's straight. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Nice.
That looks crooked, dude.
What? How does it look crooked? Let's try it again, because that wasn't straight.
Double J.
That looks perfect. Taking a quick break. It's lunchtime. We're grabbing some food. Wobs. Barbecue, baby. Let's see what they got for today. Yo, what are you getting?
Chubby.
Chubby?
Chubby burger. Chubby.
Both getting chubby?
Yeah, both getting burritos.
We both getting chubby, that's right.
Look at these. Woo. Look at this lunch. Alright, so done with lunch. Let's put the rest of these wheels on. Alright, I've got all the wheels mounted onto the car. Some of you guys might ask, why would you mount 2 different color wheels on the car? That is the epitome of rice. Well, you see, when we do wheel showcase videos, we want to be able to showcase more than just one color that the wheel is available in. But we also don't want to mount a set of each color because that wouldn't be very cost effective. So that is the reason why we do one color on each side. Then you're able to see at least 2 different colors of that particular wheel, and we don't waste 2 sets of wheels. Now that the wheels are on the car, the next thing I need to do is put the 2015 bumper back onto the car and then test fit a brand new lip that just came in. Brand new design that you guys probably haven't seen before, so I'm pretty excited to actually show this lip to you guys. So we've got the 2015 bumper installed on our car are unfortunately bad playing on my part. Thomas took the vlogging camera out to a local track, so I no longer have that, and I don't have the mic or the micro SD cards for my lapel mic, so we're just gonna have to roll with the onboard camera in the Sony. We are gonna end this video off with the test installation of the OLM carbon fiber MA style lip that will be available soon on our website. Let's check it out.